y'all, Yvebelize. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be playing with hair paints. We've had these for a while and Kimaya dip and dab, and I haven't really tried them out. This is gonna be a three-part video because I have three colors and I want to do my hair with all three of the colors separately and let you see how they all come out and which one looks best. We have blue, gold, and red. I don't know which color I should be going with today to start. This should be fun, y'all. I will separate my hair in 4 sections. I didn't mention this, but this is completely safe for the hair. It contains beeswax, and my hair is a little between. It's wet, but it's not that wet. So I'm gonna start off with this section. Let's see what color I chose to start with. This is exciting. So you have to take it and rub it. Almost like a pinkish color, right? It has a smell almost like a men's cologne. It's very light. I'm gonna let it dry and come back and show you what it's looking like, and then we're gonna do number 2. By the time I was done, y'all, as you can see, I was listening to my music, vibing, excited. The smile on my face tells it all, though. I'm happy. Yes, y'all. So, I'm geeked. Is that a word? I am super excited. Oh! This was a task. This whole video was a task because I was doing 3 colors in one video and I wanted to bring it to you just the way I'm presenting it. But this blue dough, you see what I'm saying? She is poppin'. Let me know which one is your favorite. I have my favorite, but I'll let you know down in the comment section. But let me say, this was fun overall. fun way to play with colors to see, you know, what you want to go with. If you're looking to do something permanent or temporary, it's fun nevertheless. This was an amazing time. Let me tell you, it's easy to wash out. Just simply washing it out with water did the trick. I didn't have to use no shampoo to get it out of my hair. It came out so easily. It's not staining on your fingers or anything. The hair, what is it? Hair paint wax or wax paint hair, something like that. But it has beeswax in it. And when I tell you, it does something for the hair. This was a fun video. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment. What I always say, y'all, if you like this video, share this video. It's popping, y'all. I'm loving this color, y'all. It's really pretty though. Look, 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 look. Eve will see y'all in the next video. Ta-da!